Hi, y'all. I'm Pamela Pupkin, and you're about to do Pamela Pupkin's Workout for the Lord. Woo. Hey, y'all. This is Ellen, and these are the other people.